Today, we're checking out something truly exciting in the world of gaming tablets, the REDMAGIC Astra Gaming Tablet. This device is packed with raw power, gamer-focused features, and a sleek design that's hard to ignore from the moment you take it out of the box. The REDMAGIC Astra screams performance. It's not your average Android tablet. It's specifically built for gamers who demand both speed and visual fidelity. Right off the bat, the tablet's design looks sharp, futuristic, and unmistakably REDMAGIC. Let's talk about the specs. At its heart, the REDMAGIC Astra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That's right, the same powerhouse chip you find in some of the top-tier smartphones. This means you're getting flagship-level performance on a tablet. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. Combined with 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this tablet handles anything you throw at it with zero stutter. Now let's talk display. The Astra features a stunning 12.1-inch QHD Plus display with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. That's not just good, it's elite for gaming. Colors are punchy, blacks are deep, and the visuals are incredibly crisp. Whether you're battling enemies in PUBG Mobile, racing through Asphalt 9, or just binge-watching your favorite shows, the display delivers. Brightness is excellent too, reaching up to 600 nits. That makes it usable even in bright environments. The bezels are slim, keeping the design modern and immersive. And REDMAGIC has also implemented a high-touch sampling rate, 240 Hz, for fast and accurate response times. Gaming performance is where the Astra shines. The tablet uses REDMAGIC's ICE Magic cooling system, which includes a large vapor chamber and advanced thermal materials. Even after extended sessions of Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile, the Astra stays cool to the touch and maintains peak performance. And let's not forget the software. The REDMAGIC OS 9.0 is based on Android 13 and is loaded with gamer-centric features. GameSpace, REDMAGIC's game dashboard, gives you control over performance modes, fan speed, screen recording, and more. There are even shoulder triggers. Yes, physical triggers, on the tablet itself. These customizable triggers can give you an edge in FPS games. Battery life is solid too. The Astra packs a massive 10,000 mAh battery that supports 80W fast charging. You can go from 0 to 100% in about 55 minutes. That means less time plugged in and more time playing. On the audio front, the tablet features quad stereo speakers with DTS. My lips are sealed. Ultra support. Audio is loud, clear, and immersive. There's also support for high-res audio and Bluetooth 5.3, so whether you're using the built-in speakers or wireless headphones, the experience is top-notch. Camera-wise, it's what you'd expect from a gaming tablet. It's decent, but not groundbreaking. The rear camera is a 13MP shooter, and the front camera is an 8MP sensor. Good enough for video calls or occasional snaps, but this isn't where the Astra is trying to impress you. Let's talk about accessories. REDMAGIC also launched a magnetic keyboard and stylus for the Astra. This transforms the tablet into a productivity device, perfect for students or professionals who need to switch between gaming and work. The keyboard is responsive and the stylus has low latency, making it great for note-taking or sketching. There's also multi-window support, floating windows, and split-screen features built into REDMAGIC OS. That means you can be watching YouTube in one window while chatting on Discord in another. It's all very smooth and optimized for multitasking. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port for fast data transfers. There's no cellular version yet, but tethering from your phone works flawlessly. Build quality is impressive. The chassis is made of metal with a matte finish that feels premium. It's sturdy yet lightweight, weighing just over 600 grams. The back design has gamer vibes, with RGB lighting and sharp contours that give it personality, and we have to mention the cooling fan. Yes, this tablet has a built-in cooling fan that actually spins to keep the chip cool under load. It's quiet, efficient, and adds to the REDMAGIC identity. In terms of UI experience, REDMAGIC OS 9.0 offers a snappy and clean interface. It's customizable with themes and widgets and doesn't come bloated with unnecessary apps. The Game Space dashboard is integrated deeply into the system, and you can access it with a simple swipe, compared to other tablets in its range, like the Lenovo Legion Tab or even the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. The REDMAGIC Astra clearly targets gamers first. Its performance per dollar is unbeatable, but it's not just about specs. The overall gaming experience, from the haptics to the shoulder triggers to the dedicated cooling, puts the Astra in a league of its own for those who care about media. The Astra delivers. The AMOLED panel, stereo speakers, and fast refresh rate make it an excellent choice for Netflix, YouTube, or just browsing social media. For productivity, the tablet holds its own. With the optional keyboard and stylus, you can take notes, type documents, or draw sketches. Android 13's multitasking features help you get serious work done. Now let's talk pricing. The REDMAGIC Astra Gaming Tablet starts at around $599 for the base model with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The 16GB RAM, 512GB storage model goes up to $749. Accessories like the keyboard and stylus are sold separately. Is it worth it? If you're a mobile gamer, absolutely. You get a full package experience that rivals even some gaming laptops. And it's portable enough to throw in a backpack. If you're looking for a media and work device that can also game, the Astra is still a strong option.